Hello, students. Now, what we are discussing in this lecture is examples of alkanes. I mean, their nomenclature in the IUPAC system. The first example for today is, you can write it with me, CH3 twice C, C2H5, CH2, C, CH3 thrice. Tell me, what is the first thing I must do to write its IUPAC name?
Write the carbons outside.
Everybody should participate in the lecture. Come on. पहला काम क्या करना है मुझे? What the first thing?
Leaving the carbon outside the bracket.
ब्रैकेट वालों को छोड़ दो और बाकी सबको लिख दो. यस? तो बताओ मैं सबसे पहले क्या लिखूं? ध्रुव, टेल मी.
Ma'am, C.
Yeah.
Then one more C.
One more C. See carefully. After C, that is after this C, there is CH2.
Yes.
And then?
One C and CH3.
No, then a single bond. Don't forget the single bond. And then a C, that's all. भाई अगर हमने कहा ब्रैकेट को छोड़ के बाकी सब लिखो, तो ध्रुव आप छतरी कैसे बोल सकते हो? छतरी तो ब्रैकेट में है ना? हेलो, can you listen to me, Dhruv? What am I saying?
Yes, ma'am.
So be quick, be vocal. So we have C, CH2C. इसके बाद में क्या करें चिन्मय? बताओ आप मुझे फटाफट.
Write the branches only.
How?
Then we had 3 branches, CH3, CH3.
हाँ, यानी इस कार्बन के 3 बॉन्ड खाली हैं और इस कार्बन के भी 3 बॉन्ड खाली हैं. नहीं, इस कार्बन के भी 3 बॉन्ड, 3 नहीं, क्यों 2, क्यों 3 ही खाली है ना.
Ma'am, it is given CH3 twice.
CH3 2 हो या 3 हो, इससे क्या मतलब? इस कार्बन के बॉन्ड कितने खाली हैं?
3 bonds.
खत्म. अब इसके जो 3 बॉन्ड खाली हैं, तीनों पे छतरी है, बराबर?
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन इसके जो 3 बॉन्ड खाली हैं, 2 पे छतरी है, लेकिन एक पे ये है C2H5. नहीं समझा?
Yes, ma'am, understand.
अब वो जो C2 है, उसको C2 नहीं लिखने का है, 2 कार्बन को खोल के लिखने का है. इधर कितने हैं चाहेंगे?
Ma'am, 2.
और इधर कितने हैं चाहेंगे बच्चा?
3.
वेरी गुड. लॉन्ग चेन कौन सा है तनीषा?
Cycle.
No, that's a wrong answer. Jil Katiria.
6 carbons.
Long chain is 6 carbons. Correct? Correct? Is this the long chain?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Number the carbon chain, Keegan.
Miss, the one alone C.
See, excuse me. You can tell me left to right or right to left or down to up. You can tell me that way.
Right to left.
Right to left. Why?
Because the branches are near there, so side chains. So we
Okay.
start with the one which gets the lowest.
Okay, very good, Keegan. How many carbons are in the long chain, Nivriti?
6.
Hence, what is the word root?
Hex.
What is the primary suffix, Nidesh?
In,
Why?
because it is carbon to carbon single bond.
What is the secondary suffix, Alston?
Ma'am, E.
Why?
Because there are only carbon and hydrogen.
Okay. How many branches are there, Krisha?
4.
Be loud.
4.
What are they?
Methyl branches.
What is the prefix for 4-methyl?
Tetra.
What is the number at which they are located?
2 and 4.
How many times to write 2?
2 times.
Why?
It's because there are 2 branches of methyl on second carbon.
And 4 is also to be written?
Twice.
2244 tetramethyl. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Everyone, please write it quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Everybody, anyone wants me to wait, please tell me. No one. Okay. Please write the structure with me. Actually, you know, this is like mathematics. You should solve simultaneously with me. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me what to do, Nestor.
Write which another number.
Okay, tell me how to write.
CH3,
Yeah,
single bond CH.
that's wrong. As I told you, whenever CH2 comes, write it continuous. You can't leave CH2 bracket and you can't write remaining. Where will you fit CH2? CH2 always comes in the middle of the carbon chain. अगर तुम CH2 को छोड़ देगा बाबा, तो फिर उसको लिखेगा कैसे? सपोज तुमने ऐसा बना दिया CH3 और उसके बाद में तुमने लिख दिया CH, ये वाला, तो फिर तुम इधर CH2 फिट कैसे करेगा? So whenever CH2 comes, it is to be written continuously and not to stop in between and not to skip it. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Now tell me what to write.
CH3.
Huh?
CH.
Next.
CH3.
CH3. Hello, Nestor.
Yes. CH3.
How CH3 can come? ये CH2 4 था, तुमने इधर 4 CH2 लिखा, अभी CH के बाद 3 CH2 है. You are not telling only?
CH.
What will come? Tell me. Be clear. It's a recording. What people will hear if you talk like this?
CH2.
How many times?
3 times.
And then
CH3.
Now what's remaining?
Uh,
Which carbon valency is remaining?
CH3. 2 times.
Huh?
CH3.
Which carbon's valency is remaining?
CH.
Yeah. What to write there? This is the continuity. What to write? This is there. Tell me.
CH.
Then?
CH.
Then?
2 times CH3.
Two valencies are there, correct?
Yes.
Can I write like this? Can I write like this? CH3. You said 2 times CH3. So shall I write like this?
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not? Can anyone tell me why we can't write like this?
Can I?
Yeah.
It's because in the CH3 there is no remaining valency.
Yeah. And if I write CH3 in middle, बाबा इसका 3, 4, 5, अभी कार्बन का क्या सूर्य बल्ब बनाने का है 5 वैलेंसी. Correct? Very good, Nidesh. So here one CH3. Okay. Aryan, select the long chain.
Yes, ma'am. And CH3, CH2, CH2.
You can tell me right to left, left to right, top, down,
Left.
up, bottom, whatever.
Left to right.
Okay. Aryan, number the chain. From where to where? Tell me. Aryan, are you there? Or no? Okay, anyone else? Number the carbon chain.
Ma'am, from right to left.
Right
Ma'am,
to left.
right to
Right
left.
to left. Okay. Yashvi, can you tell me why right to left?
Is because the branch from that end is the nearest.
Okay. Now 10 carbons in the long chain. What is the word root? Yuvika.
Ma'am, deck.
What's the carbon-carbon bonding?
Single bond.
So what to write?
In.
What is the secondary suffix?
E.
Why?
Because there are only carbon and hydrogen.
Okay.
Therefore, E.
Okay. Okay. What's the branch? Jheel. Okay. What's the branch? Khushi.
2-methyl-propyl.
Okay. This is the branch. You could have said isobutyl. You could have said isobutyl. Is it
Yes,
isobutyl?
yes.
Everyone remembers?
Yes.
Yes.
So the name can be written as 5-isobutyl-decane. In complex substituent, you can use the common name of the complex substituent in the IUPAC. But that's not the best IUPAC name. Now we will write the best IUPAC name. Tell me from where to number this branched branch.
From CH2.
CH2.
So I am putting 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Why I'm putting dash? Because I've already used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of this group in IUPAC?
2-methyl-propyl.
2-methyl propyl, not propane. How can you call a alkyl group propane? 2-methyl propyl. And this is located on which carbon?
Fifth.
So the name becomes 5 2-methyl propyl decade. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If in a multiple choice question, both these options are given and it is a MCQ with only one correct answer, which one will you select?
Second.
Second one.
And if it is a MCQ with more than one correct answer, then which one will you select?
Both.
Both. Correct. Do you want some time to write?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just waiting for a minute.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. The next example. Come on, Aman, tell me how to write.
Ma'am, first we will write C as it is.
Okay.
Then CH2. Single bond CH2.
हाँ देखो कार्बन लिखा, अब कार्बन के 4 बॉन्ड है, 2 बॉन्ड पे छतरी है, हाँ या ना?
Yes.
और बाकी 2 बॉन्ड पे छटू छतरी है. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the longest continuous carbon chain. तुमको ही पूछ रही हो अमन.
5.
Very good. This one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the name. Can you tell me the name? Can you tell me the name, Aman?
Yes, ma'am. Hex.
Ma'am, 3 dash
Anyone else can tell me the name quickly?
3,3 dash dimethyl pentane.
Very
3,3
good.
dimethylpentane.
Very good. Have you written or you want me to wait?
Waiting.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Shall we go to the next example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay, one I'm giving you. Can you all try and get me the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Come on, quick.
Bye.
Please see to it that you are mute and any disturbance is not there.
इसका है 20
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, 3,3 diethyl pentane.
3,3.
Diethyl pentane.
Very good. Very nice, Nivruti. Carbon, 4 valencies. On all the 4 valencies, there are 2 carbons. So 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Aryan, can you tell me the long chain, beta? Aryan, can you tell me the long chain? Okay, Sneha, tell me the long chain.
5 carbon.
Okay. Tell me how to number the chain.
Top to bottom, anyway it will go.
Why?
Because the branches are on the 3rd carbon.
You should say because branches are equidistant from both the ends. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Branches are at equal distance from both the ends. What we should say, everybody? Branches are at
equidistant from the ends.
Equidistant.
So 3, 3 diethyl pentane. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
3, 3 dash
Yes,
diethyl pentane. Shall we go to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next structure. Okay, let us try this one. Who will say voluntarily? Who want to participate? Come on. Rather than I asking everybody one by one, chalo, you tell me who wants to answer.
Can I?
Yeah, come on.
CH3, CH2, CH2 3 times. CH 2 times. CH2, CH3.
Yeah, and now I have to copy the remaining branches. Now, who will participate in the naming? Next, anyone else?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me. Tell me, numbering. Correct? Long chain. Who wants to participate? Somebody was answering. Where you went? Yeah. Tell me how to number the carbon chain.
From right to left.
95.3.
Why can't I number from here? Left to
Yes,
right?
because when we add up the locations of the both the sides, then right to left gives us this smaller locant.
Correct. Suppose I number it from, what Khushi is saying is, suppose I number like this. Then what are the positions on which locants are present? One is this 8, then 7 and 3. So it is 3 plus 7 plus 8. How much?
18.
Let us number other way. Now what are the locants?
The problem is that the
3
4 and 8.
plus 4 plus
8.
What's the total?
15.
And do you remember?
Some
Decline
What am I saying?
lowest sum.
Can anyone tell me the rule? Come on.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah. Tell me.
The longest continuous carbon chain is number from that end which is nearest to the branch. The number which identifies the substituent is called the locant. The sum of the locant must be lowest.
Very good. The sum of the locants must be lowest. And these are the locants. Locant यानी जहां वो branch present है. Locant. Now, somebody tell me the name other than who all answered. Someone else.
It's 3, 4, 8 trimethyl decane.
Is this Chinmay?
It's Pratham.
Who?
Pratham.
Who?
Pratham.
Pratham. Okay. 3, 4, 8. Trimethyl decane. Very good, Pratham. I think now it's clear to all of you. What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us see one more. Shall I go to the next page, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on. सबसे पहले क्या करें बताओ? What should be the step 1?
Select the longest carbon.
No, कभी भी नहीं.
Right, C2H5
Ma'am,
CH.
Yes.
C2H5 को खोल.
Yes, C2H5 को खोल के लिखने का. कभी भी आपको कंडेंस स्ट्रक्चर दिखे उसको सबसे पहले खोल के लिखो because it may change the longest continuous carbon chain. Okay? CH, CH to CH3. Now I'm going down over here and I'm writing CH2, CH3. Chalo. Up next step, step 2.
Select the longest chain.
कौन सा वाला है यशवी? कौन सा वाला है यशवी?
Right to left. Right to left. 7.
कहाँ से नंबरिंग करें? आज ही बोलना है.
From right.
Why not from left?
when we're naming ethyl and methyl branches there, so ethyl by alphabetical order it comes first.
Very good. जैसे यहाँ पर ये वाला गलत था और ये वाला सही था क्योंकि इसमें सम हायर आ रहा था और इसमें सम लोअर आ रहा था, बरोबर. Similarly, this one is wrong and this one is right because in this case 5 position ethyl is getting and 3 position methyl is getting. अल्फाबेट में कौन पहले आता है, ethyl और methyl? Now ethyl and methyl are equidistant from the end. यानी इथाइल और मिथाइल का जो पोजीशन है वो एंड से इक्वल है. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is our duty to give the lowest number alphabetically. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 ethyl, 5 methyl, and what's the name of the papa?
Heptane.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write it, or if you have written it, let us move ahead. Please tell me once you are done.
Done.
Okay. See, since so long we have been doing examples and their name. Now we will a little bit have a diversion. Instead of structure to name, यानी कि structure में से उसका नाम निकालने की बजाय अभी हम नाम लिखेंगे और उसका structure बनाएंगे. बहुत मजा आएगा. Okay? So, IUPAC name मैं आपको दूंगी. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes.
आप उस नाम का क्या बनाएंगे?
Structure.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
हम आपको 3 एग्जाम्पल सिखाएंगे. कितने सिखाएंगे हम आपको? 3 एग्जाम्पल सिखाएंगे. A, B, C. ठीक है, पहले आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे, बाद में आप लिखेंगे, साथ में नहीं लिखेंगे. पहला एग्जाम्पल है 2, 3, 5 डैश ट्राइमिथाइल 4 प्रोपाइल हेप्टेन. ठीक है, हेप्टेन. बी है नियो पेंटाइल. ठीक है यार, बोलो ना, तुम हो ना, तुम हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is 5, 1, 2 dimethyl propyl 2 methyl nonane. Are you ready?
Yes,
Ready. कभी
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
जब आपको नाम से स्ट्रक्चर बनाना हो, everybody, all eyes on the board. कभी भी जब आपको नाम से स्ट्रक्चर बनाना हो, the first thing you have to see, again I'm repeating, whenever you are converting an IUPAC name into an structure, the first thing you have to see is the last word in the name, and that is heptane. This is the long chain. The last word in the name is the long chain, heptane. So what I am doing, I am making 6 carbons. No, I am making 7 carbons because the long chain is heptane. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, what I will do, I will number the chain, and I can number it from any end because depending on whichever end, how it will matter. I have just made the carbon chain, so I can number it from any end. According to my numbering, I'll put the substituent. Now 2, 3 and 5 is having methyl. So 2, 3, 5 methyl. So I'm putting the Chhatri on 2, 3, 5. And 4 is propyl. So propyl I am putting CH2, CH2, CH3. Last thing I will do is add hydrogen to the parent chain. कभी भी हाइड्रोजन पहले ऐड नहीं करने का. Do you know why?
Because when we put the substituents, then they will also take one valency of the carbon.
Yeah, and hence number of hydrogen will vary. So this is the structure. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now neopentyl. Do you remember what was neopentyl? One carbon attached to 4 carbon, and then 3, 3, 3, and here also 3?
2.
No, 2 dash.
2 dash. This is neopentyl. Can anyone tell me its IUPAC name?
2, 2 dimethyl propyl.
Propyl. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2 dimethyl propyl. यार हम लोग जब भी नाम लिखते हैं एंड में हम एन लिखते हैं. ये कैसा हमने लिखा है? आइल. एंड में आइल कैसे लिख दिया?
Unused bond.
Unused bond.
Very, very good. Okay, now here. What is the last word here? Nonane. Nonane means how many carbons?
19.
90? Ayo.
9 carbons.
9 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, will do. छोटा छोटा लिखा. Will do.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी नंबरिंग कर देते. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the places where the branches are? 5 and 5 पे branch है और 2 पे. 2 पे कौन सा branch है?
Methyl.
Easy है लिख देने का. But 5 पे जो branch है वो थोड़ा सा complicated है. Now, in the branch, what is the last word?
Propyl.
पहले वो बनाने का. 1, 2, 3. In the branch, what is the last word?
Propyl.
पहला वो बनाने का. In the branch, what is the last word?
Propyl.
पहला वो बनाने का. Now प्रोपाइल को कहाँ से नंबरिंग करूं? ऐसा 1, 2, 3 या ऐसा 1, 2, 3? कौन सा राइट है?
Both.
Down. First and नीचे.
1, 2, 3 और 1, 2, 3. Correct?
Yes.
Now what to hang on 1 and 2? मिथाइल. तो इधर एक मिथाइल आएगा, इधर एक मिथाइल आएगा. Yes or no?
Yes.
And in the end, what will I do?
Hydrogen.
Add H. How many?
Add hydrogen.
1, 3. And here how many? Come on.
3. 2.
2. Here how many?
2.
Here?
1. 2. 2. 2 and 3.
I hope it is clear to you.
Yes.
Yes.
Write it. Write it. Write it. Quick, quick, quick. Chaldi, chaldi likho. Chaldi, chaldi likho. Magar samajh ke likho. Chapo mat. No chapoing. Okay? Chapne ka nahi. Samajh ke likhne ka. Understand. Samajh ki. स्ट्रक्चर का नाम कॉपी करो, खुद स्ट्रक्चर बनाओ, and then check from the screen whether your structure is right or no. If it is wrong, understand and make it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, miss.
All of you have completed?
About minute.
Okay. I'm waiting, no problem.
Done, miss.
Very nice. Now listen carefully, everybody. Are you all listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to my notes, alkanes. All of you pay attention. Go to my notes, alkanes. Go to page 18 and continue till page 23. I have given almost 60 examples, questions, 60 questions to be solved, wherein some of the examples are structure to name and some examples are name to structure. Can you start it right now?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you have taken printout of the notes, my dear, then you see carefully, I have given vacant place in the notes to solve it. You can do that also. So start, okay? Start. I'll just end the recording now because now it's your work which you are doing. So you can do it, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.